In this video I will show you how to make a RF transmitter and receiver modules using transistors. The circuit is simple and easy to make. The construction and operation of the circuit will be explained in this video, so let's start. This is the circuit diagram of the transmitter. The transmitter circuit consists of two sections, oscillator section and modulator section. Here we use a tuned collector oscillator for making 50 MHz sine wave, and transistor Q2 performs the modulation function. Let's see the function of transistor Q2 here. The transistor Q2 works like a switch. The negative voltage required for transistor Q1 is obtained through transistor Q2. This means that the oscillator will only turn on when transistor Q2 is on. You can see a 1 kilo ohm resistor is connected from the positive line and the other end is connected to the base of transistor Q2 through a push switch. The transistor Q2 will turn on while pressing the push switch and provide a negative voltage to Q1 which make the oscillatory circuit turn on. The oscillator circuit is only turned on while the push button is being pressed. Let's understand the working of receiver module. The receiver module consists of two sections, a regenerative RF front-end section and a voltage comparator section. When the RF front-end section detects a 50 MHz signal, it generates a voltage variation across the 2.2 kilo ohm resistor, and the voltage comparator circuit compares the voltage variation with its preset reference voltage and gives an output.